I have an interesting book for you called The Serious Goose, and it is written by Jimmy Kimmel, who lives in California, and he wrote this and he illustrated it, and he says that he's not a very good illustrator. You can decide. We can talk about it afterwards. There's a lot of big words. Usually in a book for children, the pictures are big and the words are much smaller, but you'll see this one is written differently. So it's called The Serious Goose. Does that goose look very serious to you? I think he looks very serious. Here we go. This is a serious goose. There is nothing silly about this goose. Do not even try to be silly around this goose. This goose will not smile at all. Not even if you put a chicken on her head. Nothing. Even if you were to dress this goose, what is this goose dressed up like? As a moose. Zilch. So the goose is still so serious. The goose doesn't think it's funny or interesting or anything. He just has a very serious face. Even if you order a pizza, Gooseps Pizzeria, hunk and delicious. Topped with delicious snails. Did you know that geese like snails? No smile. But this goose means business, serious business. No one can make this goose smile. And we know he means serious business because he's reading the newspaper. And reading the newspaper is not something you do when you're feeling goofy. What's that you say? You think you can do it? Ha! So do you think you could make this goose not be so serious? Could you get the goose to smile, maybe? Let's see. You think you can make this goose smile? There's no way. There is no way you can make this goose smile. No one can. This is a no smiling goose. Look how he made the word goose use the O's in goose for his eyeballs. Isn't that funny? But the goose doesn't think so. The goose is very serious. Can you make him smile? What would you do if you were going to make that goose smile? What do you think? But go right ahead. Look in the mirror and give it a shot. So what you need to do is you need to go get a little mirror or go look in the bathroom mirror. And this is what you're supposed to do. Make funny faces. Let's see what you've got. Stick out your tongue and let your ears wiggle. Act like a monkey. This goose shall not giggle. Cluck like a chicken. Moo like a cow. Be doofy. Be goofy. Any way you know how. However you do it, it won't be enough. This goose isn't silly. This goose is too tough. Who are you reading this book with? Can you make the person you're reading this book with smile? Be goofy. Let's see if you can do it. How are you doing? Oh, that's good. Okay, let's keep reading. See, I hate to say I told you so, but this is exactly what I knew would happen. Good try, though you were very funny. Most geese would have laughed so hard eggs would be coming out, but not this goose. This goose will never, ever... Uh-oh, what's this? Something is happening to this goose. No, this can't be. Stop being so silly. This is a serious goose. Does the goose look so serious anymore? Look at the goose in the beginning. Look at his eyebrows. The eyebrows show how serious he is. But the eyebrows don't look so serious now. See how the eyebrows are bending in the different direction? Yes, and here the eyebrows look friendly. It's because you're being so silly. You are making that goose not be so serious. Do not make the goose smile. Oh no, this is terrible. By the power vested in me by the order of serious geese and gooses, I hereby command you to stop amusing this goose. Look at his mouth. Wow, the goose is really giggling. This is not such a serious goose after all. Look at that face. Look at him. In fact, this seems to be a silly goose. Ha! Thanks to you. Oh my goodness, look at that mouth. Can you make a mouth like that? Can you make your smile that big with all your teeth showing? You are a silly kid. You'll be hearing from our attorneys. And that's the end of that book. So what did you think? Were you able to make that goose smile? Was it you? Did you make funny faces? Were you goofy? If not, you should start this book over again and try again. So, again, the name of this book is The Serious Goose, and I will see you next time.